Morning everyone, I am Aditya and welcome back to the channel. I am going to Gujarat for 15 days along with my family. I am going on a vacation after 2 long years, so I am very excited for it. The flight is at 6 a.m. but the airline sent us a message that we should reach at least 3 hours before the departure time because it's raining very heavily in Bangalore since last 1 or 2 weeks. In fact, it's raining even now. So I woke up at 1:30 a.m. and I got ready. Normally I will be going to sleep at 1:30 a.m. during the weekends. So anyway, I got ready and I'm waiting for the cab to arrive. So once the cab comes, we'll be going. So let's get this thing started. So we have reached Ahmedabad airport now. It is around 8:30 a.m. We have already booked our cab, but it is not yet arrived. So in the same cab we will be traveling for the next 2 weeks. We had a light snack in the flight, but we'll still stop somewhere to have breakfast. So I will brief you guys about our plan for the trip when we stop in the hotel. So today we will be going to Little Run of Kutch and we'll be staying there. On the way we will even go to Modhera Sun Temple. So actually it is around 2.5 hour drive, Little Run of Kutch from airport. Since we are going to Modhera Sun Temple, it will take additional 1 hour. So I think it will take around 3.5 hours to reach Little Run of Kutch. And we have a safari there at 4 p.m. So we'll try to reach Little Run before 4 p.m. So first things first, we actually skipped the breakfast. We thought we'll leave Ahmedabad before the traffic sets in and then we'll have breakfast somewhere outside. But when we checked like 3 or 4 hotels, all of them were closed because the breakfast timing was till 10 o'clock and we did not find any hotel. So anyway, we thought we will directly have lunch instead of breakfast. So right now we reached Modhera, which is famous for Modhera Sun Temple. And it was built during the Chalukya dynasty, which is like in the 11th century. Yeah, let's go and check it out. As we move from the temple area, right in front of the temple area is the stepwell. So the whole complex is divided into 3 areas. One is the temple, which is the worship area. The second one is the stepwell, which is the reservoir area. And the third one is the garden, which is the like a meeting place. So if you had seen one of the tweets from Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he had tweeted about this Modhera temple in a rainy day. So the stepwell looks really amazing in that video. So if you haven't checked it out, you can go and check out that video. Our plan is that today we will travel from Ahmedabad to the Little Run of Kutch, and on the way we came to this Modhera temple. So if you directly go from Ahmedabad to the Little Run, it will take you around 1.5 or 2 hours to reach the Little Run. Since we came to Modhera temple, so it has taken us additional 1 hour because of the deviation. So after this we will be going to Little Run. Actually there is another place called Patan, which is also very good place for these ruins, and even there are some forts as well. So if you have some time, you can go to the Patan as well, and then you can come back to the Little Run. Since we have a safari at 4 p.m. in Little Run today, we couldn't go to Patan, otherwise we'll be late for the safari. I think it took around 1 hour to see the whole area. So now we'll go to Little Run, but before that we need to have lunch somewhere because we have skipped the breakfast. So in the just outside the temple complex, there is a cafe. So we just came here to have a light snack or something because we thought we'll go to the hotel in the Little Run and then we'll have the lunch there. And regarding the mask, so actually no one is wearing mask, but I am wearing the mask only in the crowded places. If I am alone, for example right now, I'm removing the mask. This is the parking area, and right in front of parking area you have the ticket counter. So after buying the tickets, which is 25 rupees per person, you can enter the complex. Hi, good evening guys. So we reached Little Run around 1:30. We had lunch and we slept for some time. Meanwhile, I copied some data to computer. It is 4 o'clock, so we are going to safari. I think it will last for around 2.5 to 3 hours. So yeah, let's see what we can see in the safari. So the desert is actually 7 kilometers from our resort, but see, due to heavy rainfall in the last week, the gates are closed. That's why we are taking a longer route, which is around 20 to 25 kilometers, and this route passes to various villages, farms and fields.
सेंचुरी वाइल्ड एस सेंचुरी नाम है इसका। ये वाइल्ड एस दुनिया में कोई जगह पर नहीं है, सिर्फ यहाँ लिटिल रन में है, और इसका भागने का स्पीड है 80-90 किलोमीटर, और लिटिल रन का एरिया है 5000 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर पूरा। पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर से 100 किलोमीटर, सीधा जाओगे 200 किलोमीटर ग्रेट रन। ग्रेट रन से जो बड़ा रन है उससे मिला हुआ है। जैसे आगे जाओगे फिर तो एक गाड़ी भी नहीं मिलेगा आपको, जमीन आसमान। एक बार घूम गए तो आपको रास्ता पता नहीं चलेगा।
So look at the earth here, or the ground. So this is like a cake piece. So it's not like exactly sand, it's like the ground has been broken down into thousands and millions of pieces. So we have come near the water bed, and you can see a lot of birds here, and a beautiful sunset is incoming. During the safari, we even saw some of the migratory birds such as Sarus crane and francolin. There are so many interesting facts about these birds. So I will leave a link in the video description for those who are interested. We encounter a lot of wild ass on the way. It is one of the fastest Indian animals with speeds clocked about 70 to 80 km per hour, and it can easily outrun a jeep. So it was very nice seeing this wild ass running around the desert. The drive in the desert by itself was very good. The remote location and the atmosphere around it was a very good experience. We even got to see a lot of villages on the way and witness the lifestyle here in the remote areas of Kutch. So this will be the end of the day, because I don't think I can find a much beautiful shot than this to end this video. So tomorrow we will be going from Little Run of Kutch to Bhuj, and we'll be halting in the Bhuj tomorrow. So yeah, I watched this amazing sunset, and that's it for today. If you like the video, please share, give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you don't like the video, you can still leave a comment and tell what you don't like about it. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next week.